Hey guys, welcome to Doctor's Tutorial. In today's video, we'll learn how to send link on Monopoly Go. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Monopoly Go is an engaging mobile app game that emulates the classic Monopoly board game. So this offers a digital twist for players. So first, you'll just need to log in onto your Monopoly Go account, and then right after, to find the link, you'll just need to navigate to the appropriate section in the Monopoly Go app. So this is where you could go ahead to click first to generate the link. Now onto the section, you should be able to see the invite button in here or something similar with that. And once you click onto that link, you can share it with your friends or contacts, and you could also see the copy link button in here. So now that you have copied it, you can share it with your friends onto any messaging apps, emails, or social media to send the link to your desired recipients, and let your friends know what the link is for and provide any relevant information. And that is how you can send a link on Monopoly Go. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on to our next video.